enthusiastic little friends! This time, we're entering the exciting world of slithering creatures. Let's begin an educational adventure that will bring joy to all of you. First, there's the snake. Snakes are legless creatures that can slither swiftly. Most snakes are predators. They have skin that allows them to move gracefully, whether on the ground or climbing trees. Next up, we have the crocodile with its long body and powerful jaws. Crocodiles live in the water, but when they get close to their prey, they can move very quickly. They also have natural armor in the form of tough skin. Next, there's the iguana, a unique slithering creature. They have rough skin that can change color and are excellent climbers, often found in trees. Now let's talk about the Komodo dragon, the largest slithering creature in the world. They are giant lizards living in Indonesia. Komodo dragons have powerful jaws and can run swiftly when pursuing prey. Moving on, we have turtles with their protective shells. They can live on land and in water, and some of them can live for a very long time. Turtles are patient and sturdy slithering creatures. Let's talk about geckos. Geckos are lizards often found in our homes. They have sticky fingers, which allow them to climb easily, and they can make sounds at night. Last but not least, we have the turtle. Turtles are slithering creatures living in the sea. They have shells that protect their bodies, and they often roam in the vast oceans. Some turtles embark on long journeys to lay their eggs. So, friends, we've explored the uniqueness of snakes, crocodiles, lizards, iguanas, Komodo dragons, turtles, geckos, and turtles. Each of them is an amazing slithering creature with its own distinct features. Don't forget to keep exploring the world of animals and stay joyful. See you on the next adventure.